Hello and welcome to Miko Micro Learning. This is John Miko and this is the fourth video in our dynamic array series. This one focusing on SORTBY, which is the sister of SORT. So as a reminder, the workbook that I'm using is available in the comments, so please follow along. And as a reminder, we're going to cover all of these functions, all these dynamic array functions, but we've so far covered unique, we've covered sequence, we've covered sort, and now we're going to cover SORTBY. So let's look at the SORTBY function and its syntax. As you can see, it needs an array to sort, very similar to the sort function. But what it has is instead of using an index column, we can give it an array to sort by. And this array doesn't necessarily have to be part of the array we're sorting. It can be external, if you will. And that's the first example we're going to do. The third argument is the sort order. One is ascending. -1 is descending. By default, ascending is the order if I don't give it. And what we can do with SORTBY that we can't do with sort is we can do a multi-level sort. So we can sort by one array in a certain order, and then we can do a second array in a certain order. So over here we have a table of fruits, the type of fruit, the fruit itself, how many we have in stock and next delivery. And I want to give it a custom sort, right? I don't want to use any alphabetical. I don't want to use any numeric sort. I want to sort so that orange is first, apple is second, pear is third. But I don't want to return this custom order. So I'm going to use SORTBY to do that. I'm going to say SORTBY, and I'm going to say I want to sort B14 through E20, and I want to sort by A14 through A20. Okay, it's not going to return that. That's outside, but that's what I want to sort by. And I'm going to do it ascending, so I don't need to give it the sort order at all. And I hit enter, and you can see that it returns that array sorted according to that order. So orange first, apple second, pear third. Okay. What I can also do with the SORTBY function is I can do a multi-level sort. So let's say I want to sort by fruit type, and then within fruit type, I want to sort by fruit. So I want all the palms together, all the citrus together, all the tropical together. So I can say equal sort by, and once again, I'm sorting B14 to E20. I'm going to sort by fruit type first, so that's B14 through B20, and I'm going to do that in ascending order. And then I'm going to sort within that. I'm going to sort on the fruit, C14 to C20, and also going to do that in ascending order. So this is going to sort that range, B14 to E20, by first the fruit type, and then within that, by the fruits. I hit enter, and now you see it put all the citrus together, all the palms together, all the tropical together. If instead I wanted to sort it by the thing most in stock, or the thing, I don't know, maybe lowest in stock, I could simply, on that second one, I could do it by fruit type, and then instead of sorting it by fruit, the second level I could do by the in stock, the inventory amount. So I'm changing that C14 to D14 to D20, and now we have citrus, and the lowest in stock is first. Palms, the lowest in stock is first. Tropical, the lowest in stock is first. Very good. Okay, let's go to our use case. So if you recall, we've been using this use case for a little bit of time here. We have this table we built in our second video, I believe, that used the unique function and COUNTIF and SUMIF to build this little mini pivot table. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to return the subcategory by transaction. So I don't want this whole table. I just want the subcategory, and I want it sorted by transactions highest to lowest. I don't want the transactions. I don't want the count of transactions. I just want the subcategory column. So SORTBY can do this. I can say SORTBY, and the thing I want to sort is A6 pound. Remember, that's a dynamic array. And I want to sort it by C6 pound. Remember, that's a dynamic array as well. And I want to sort it in descending order. So I want the highest subcategories first. I hit enter, and it comes back and it says, hey, women's is number 1. And if we look, that does look like it's number 1, 295,000. Fission is the lowest. Yeah, once again, fission is $8.92. So this function sorts that category by something that we're not returning, but its partner is the same row. Oops, I did by transactions already. I should have done this by B6 is what I wanted. Okay, so there we go. That's by the count of transactions. So in this case, tennis is 1 and fishing is still lower. So that's B6. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to do it by those cells. So once again, actually I already did this, right? I'm going to sort by A6. I'm going to sort A6 pound by C6 pound. And I'm going to do it descending, and now we have those by the sum of sales transactions. Now this is a little bit of bonus, okay? I want to do that, but maybe I only want the top 5 items. I don't want all of them, right? It's going to return all of them. I only want the top 5 items. We're going to learn this in the next video, but what I can do is I can wrap around that something called the take function. So the take function, when you give it an array, you can say, I only want to take from this array so many rows and so many columns. So rows is the first parameter. I'm going to say, only give me the first 5 rows. And I'm going to say, there's only 1 column, so I don't need to specify anything there. And just like that, it gives me the top 5 categories, subcategories by sum of sales. So once again, sort by has some tricks that sort does not have. It can sort by something not returned in the sort array, and we can do multi-level sorting. So we can do multiple levels sorting within, just as you would do using the sort tool in Excel. So I hope you found this video useful. Tune in next time, video 5, where we'll go a little bit deeper into that take function that I introduced today. Take care. Goodbye.